Today we're going to demonstrate the PowerSchool summer registration process. I'm going to go into my PowerSchool parent portal here, and keep in mind this is on my beta server, so it may look a little bit different than in actuality. First thing you'll notice is there is a new icon on the side here. This icon will change state if the student is enrolled. You'll notice now it's just a black and white sunflower, but when we go in, we can go and see the state will change shortly. We're going to go in and enroll Mr. Adam Miller here into summer school registration. So we will click Get Started, and we are presented with our form, emergency contact information here, and our address information. And then we have the option for our transportation, whether they're morning transportation, if eligible, is there going to be a walker or parent drop-off, school bus, or drop-off to Adventure Club. And likewise, we can also choose our afternoon selection. We can click Register Student, and we're done confirming this. We can click Back to PowerSchool. And you'll notice that this icon now indicates a very colorful flower indicating they are indeed registered. We click back in. Again, you can see that any changes will need to contact Staley High School directly. Let's go in and try another student. Again, same process. And register to the student, and we are done. That concludes the parent portion of summer school enrollment.